So we talked about the idea of rubato, which is an Italian musical term meaning stolen. And what we're stealing is time, and how musicians use the idea of rubato. If it's marked in the music, it says rubato, that means take some rhythmic liberties. Don't play it exactly as written, so that it gives it your unique expressivity. So if I were to take a melody like Malena and I would play it straight as written, it would sound something like this. So you get a sense of the melody, but there's no dynamic contrast, there is no rubato or rhythmic liberties being taken, and so as a result, it sounds very plain and not, while it's a beautiful composition, the interpretation is not very expressive. So if I start to take rhythmic liberties, and in this case, I won't use dynamic contrast, I won't play it louder or softer, but I'll mess with the time a little bit, you'll get a sense of what it means to add rubato to something. Right? That sounds very different than initially. And if we add dynamic contrast, so changes in volume, along with this idea of rubato, we get something that sounds a little bit more like the finished product rather than just playing it completely straight, a little more expressive. Something like that is a lot more rich, and it has the character of the musician. So now we'll take a look at how to introduce this idea of rubato into our dancing.